Hello my fellow handsome gentlemen, I'm Grooming from Improvement, and tomorrow I'm going to 1 week's vacation in Turkey, and therefore I want to show you what I'm going to put in my traveling grooming kit to show you not only the products that I'm going to use and take with me, but how you can pack the best possible grooming kit with using as little space in your luggage as possible. The first thing I want to get out the way are the testers. When traveling, I think it is a perfect time and place to take some samples and testers with you. And speaking of testers and samples, I think it is perfect when you're traveling to take some products that you might have not tried before and that you want to try while being on vacation. So here I have some samples from luggage heels and from Lancome. Similar to samples but a little bit bigger are some miniature sized products. These are perfect to take on with you while traveling because they don't take a lot of space in your traveling kit, Dopp kit or your luggage. And for example, I'm going to take this small 100 ml shampoo and conditioner with me so I can wash my hair when I need to wash it. When you sweat, your hair can become a little bit greasy, and when you're in the pool swimming, all the chlorine in the pool might make your hair a little bit dry or greasy or whatever chlorine does to your hair, and that's why it's a good idea to bring your own shampoo and conditioner with you. Also, you can't forget some shower gel because not every hotel out there is going to provide you with their own shower gel and other grooming products, so it's always a good idea to bring that with you as well. One of the most important things to bring with you is sunscreen and sun lotion. It is so crucial because it is so bad for your skin to get so much sun damage and sunburn and not treating it and trying to prevent some of that sunburn with some sunscreen. Sunscreen is very important, and believe me, the warmer places where you're going to be traveling to, their sunscreen is going to be very expensive, so make sure to bring your own sunscreen with you to the countries that you're going to travel to. Speaking of sunscreen, remember your facial sunscreen. I talk about it all the time, specifically this La Roche-Posay 50+ facial sunscreen, but generally sunscreen for your face as well. You need to remember to protect your face against the sun so you don't get wrinkles and prematurely aged skin. Remember to also bring facial sunscreen with your sunscreen that you will apply to your body. You also need to remember your skincare routine with you while traveling, and sometimes you can't get very good travel sized skincare products with you. So in this case, I'm going to take my fully sized products with me. Fortunately, some of them are not that big of bottle or containers, so therefore I'm not too worried. But if you already have a skincare routine, try to bring a smaller version or a smaller packet of that product that you're using so you don't use a lot of space in your Dopp kit. Something that is also very clever to take with you while traveling are wipes. Do I need to say more? A product that I typically don't like is the infamous blue Nivea cream. The only reason I have bought this tiny 30 ml packet is that if my skin were to become dry because I'm in the sun all the time and sometimes sunscreen won't be enough to protect it, I want to moisturize it with very heavy and nourishing cream. And the only reason I don't like this cream normally from Nivea is because it is very bad for your face. But the skin on our upper and lower body is a lot tougher and can handle a lot more damage than our skin on our faces. So therefore I think this cream is okay to bring with you if you're only going to apply it on your upper and lower body. Now the fun part are the fragrances. I'm going to bring 3 fragrances with me. I have just made a TikTok about them. One of them is going to be Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Eau Intense. It is one of the best designer fragrances that you can wear in the summer because it is very good for high heat, because it already smells like the water at the beach. It is one of my favorites to wear in the summer, and I'm almost done with my bottle, so I think it is a perfect time to bring it with me. The second fragrance is one of the more luxurious summer fragrances in my collection. That is Mandarino di Amalfi from Tom Ford. I have also made a review of this one like I did with Light Blue Eau Intense, and even though this doesn't last long, I really love the citrusy, fresh, luxurious smell that this has, and I want to enjoy my last few drops that I have of this bottle in Turkey with me. And the third and final fragrance is going to be Acqua di Gio Absolu. It is not a fragrance that I have mentioned a lot because it is not as good as Profondo though the eau de parfum or the profumo, but I think now that I already have some citrusy and fresh fragrances with me, I think that Acqua di Gio Absolute, which is a pairy version of the original with better performance, I think it is a very diverse and versatile fragrance to take with me for the days where I don't want to wear something very fresh or citrusy, that I want to wear something slightly more sophisticated and casual. So I think Acqua di Gio Absolute is going to be a good choice for that. And the last few essential picks that I want you to always bring with you is going to be some floss for your teeth, of course, your toothbrush, a lip balm, and a tongue scraper. Also, how could I forget? Remember razor blade as well. You might need it in some different places. So, gentlemen, there you go. I have now packed my traveling grooming kit, and that was pretty much the video. If you want to know something more about traveling or my trip to Turkey, or generally anything about these grooming products I'm going to take with me, comment down below. I will answer it as soon and as best as possible. Gentlemen, if you enjoyed this traveling grooming kit video, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos about skincare, grooming, fragrances, fashion and style, self-improvement, anything that will make you the best possible version of yourself. And gentlemen, of course, I would like you to press the notification bell below also to get notified every single time I upload a video for you guys to enjoy and learn from. And of course, gentlemen, smile more, it's free.